In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a subdomain in Ionos step by step so you know exactly what to click and what everything means as you go. A subdomain is simply an extension of your main domain name. For example, if your main domain is example.com, a subdomain could be blog.example.com or shop.example.com. Subdomains are useful when you want to separate different sections of your website, test new features, or create dedicated areas for things like support, events, or landing pages. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to your Ionos control panel. Open your web browser, go to the Ionos website, and log in with your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main control panel, which is the central dashboard where you manage all your domains, hosting, email, and other services. From here, you'll want to navigate to the domain settings area. Look towards the top of the page for the main navigation bar. Click on Menu, then choose Domains and SSL from the options that appear. This section is where Ionos groups everything related to your domain names and their security certificates. After you click Domains and SSL, you'll be taken to a list of all the domains associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the main domain for which you want to create the subdomain. If you have several domains, you might need to scroll down the page or use any available search or filter options to find the right one. Make sure you select the correct domain because the subdomain will be created under that specific address. Once you've found your main domain, look over to the right side of that domains row. You should see a section called Quick Links or a similar label. Within that area, there will be an option called Create Subdomain. Go ahead and click that. A small window or new section will appear asking you for the prefix of your subdomain. The prefix is the part that goes before your main domain name. For example, if you type in blog, your subdomain will be blogyourdomain.com. If you type shop, it will become shopyourdomain.com. Choose something short, clear, and relevant to the purpose of that subdomain so it's easy to remember. Avoid spaces and special characters. Generally, stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens if needed. Once you've typed in the prefix you want, double check it for typos. Subdomains are created exactly as you enter them, so it's worth a quick review to avoid mistakes. When you're happy with the name, click the option to save. This might be labeled Save, Create, or something similar, depending on the current Ionos interface. After you save, Ionos will create the subdomain for you. In many cases, it appears almost immediately in your list of domains or under the main domain settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes, including new subdomains, can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate across the internet, so it may not be available instantly everywhere, and that's all there is to it. You've now created a subdomain in Ionos, ready to be used for a new website section, an application, or whatever you have planned.